Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Trivedi. I live in Bhavnagar. I am a student and I study in 12th standard. I joined this class 10th standard of summer vacation. I like most about it that English language has almost limitless ways. So I like to learn English language because it is an international language all over the world. I joined JS English classes, so I have many benefits. Like I became smarter and I have open-minded and feel empathy. Mr. Sony is a very good method of teaching, and I learned English so I can travel to any countries. And I would like to thank my parents because they suggest me that I should join the JS Educate. So it was a great experience for me and I really gained lots of knowledge. Thank you, Jai sir. And Jai sir, I touch your feet and give me blessing for great future ahead. Thank you.